Hi guys, I'm teacher. My name is Andre David Renade. I am from Cucuta. I'm 20 years old. I speak three languages. I study language in una university because I want to be teacher. And for this last work about the maturity, I am going to speak about the the importance of designing, listening, and speaking material when we learn another language. In this case, English, okay? By me, by my person, Andrea Victoria Hernandez. Okay. Give me one moment, okay? Um, what are we going to see in this activity? Uh, this step one is objective of this activity is the important of the design of material in our crafts. Step three, five tips for better our listening skills. For step five tips for the better our speaking skill. Um, the last step is the conclusion. Okay. Objective. This we're going to learn what are the importance of the design material in the class. About the work, about the our class, about the material. Okay. Uh, the student going to learn how better the listening skill. The student going to learn how to better their speaking skill. The importance of this of design of the material according with the ELF. The importance is the speaking skill of the objective growth spirit of the language along with improved communication system, promising economy, political, academic, and social reason for learning to speak English. The importance of speaking skills seem to be future underlined by the priority in many areas of the world of the community. Language teaching method with priority speaking. Throw about the student the speak corpora, about the conversation analysis, discovery analysis of programmatic when you looking for what is the reason about this sentence, work on a faith and a creativity, intellectual linguistic about the another culture, and the speak processing and psychologistic. Five tips for better our listening skill. Extensive listening and to below broad understanding spoken language by Brown and 21. Borney 2020 claimed that extensive listening is appropriate for all learning at intermediate and the advanced levels of the language profiles. Remember English. Well, the first is watching movie. Yeah, it's very important because when you watch a movie, do you practice you listening? Yeah, because I ask for my student and my classmate, do you watch TV? Do you sorry, do you watch you watch TV and movie in English? He say me no. Then I say to them, well, if you want to learn English, you need to see or watch the movie in English because there are a lot of phrases, a lot of vocabulary that you know in knowledge. Okay. The second is listen to podcast about BBC. Video English is very important, very good because they have a lot of materials. They have a lot resolve about different topics. Listen to the song. Yeah, it's very important. In my case, I like so much when heard I heard the song in English. For example, when you hear song in English, do you learn vocabulary? Do you can practice you phonetic because you learn how the song about the different word. and listen to radio and TV program. For example, I see CCP English, sorry, CCN, CNN in English. It's very good. It's very good because I see news about different topic. For this moment, I see a lot of news about the election and the coronavirus. Oh my god. Fighting for better, sorry, our speaking skill. Speak. In my case, I am B1 in English. I am no speak very good. Um, and my English is as similar to Jamaica people because I learned with people in Jamaica. I was 6 months in Jamaica. I do a lot of mistake when I speak in English. But this step is very important because it's when you speak. Do you do you do a lot of mistake, but you learn about this mistake. Okay, don't worry. Go ahead to learn. Second, refer our your conversation after your conversation is over. Taking a moment to reflect. For example, if after you finish to speak, I recommend that you refer to what he say, what he say me, what she say me, or what they say me. You learn a lot. Listen and read book in English in YouTube. Re- this stage is very funny because when you record your voice. Very good because do you hear what you pronunciate to what you mistake, okay? The last is the stage I recommend that you have funny. You need to remember that you are going to do a little mistake, but don't feel bad for that. You need to feel better. You need to feel fun. Okay? Don't worry. And conclusion. In conclusion, we have seen that there is a lot more involvement in speaking skill. The main noise in English speaking is a comprehensive skill. Our theory needs to reflect this. It is a shot at the main skill. The activity needs to be designed to provide scope for them for the learning so that they begin the activity with confidence. We must take advantage of our technology too for learning English and as a second language. Well, guys, thank you so much. The reference I used it was the about in your practice. Thank you so much, classmate and tutor, for this semester. God bless you. Okay, thank you so much.